Today, we're going to optimize your live streaming workflow by bypassing the SD card on your Canon Eos 250d, ensuring continuous and smooth content delivery without those annoying storage pop-ups. First, you'll need to connect your Canon Eos 250d to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure it's a data transfer cable, not just a charging cable. Next, if you haven't already, download and install the Canon Eos Webcam utility software from Canon's official website. This free tool is the key to turning your camera into a high-quality webcam. Now, on your Canon Eos 250d, turn the mode dial to the movie or video recording setting. This puts your camera in the right mode for the utility to recognize it. Before we go further, remove the SD card from your camera. Yes, you heard that right. With the webcam utility, you don't need it. You might even see a no SD card icon on your camera's LCD screen. And that's perfectly fine. Open your preferred live streaming software, whether it's OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or another platform. Add a new video capture device source. From the list of available devices, select Canon Eos Webcam utility. Your camera's live feed should now appear in your streaming software directly from the camera itself without writing to the SD card. And there you have it. You're now live streaming with your Canon Eos 250d, completely bypassing the SD card. This eliminates potential storage issues and keeps your stream flowing seamlessly. Maximize your live broadcasts and ensure uninterrupted content delivery. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more live streaming tips.